Hi friends, this is Priyanka saying welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Cravers. Today I am going to cook lasagna. Normally lasagna is with lots of cheese, but I am making with less cheese to make it healthy and nutritious. Let's have a quick view to the ingredients. 1 onion, half carrot, half bell peppers each, 4 to 5 button mushroom. Now come the green veggies. 1 zucchini, 1 cup spinach, 12 to 14 French beans, 1 cup spring onion. These are the lasagna sheets I bought from supermarket. You can also make at home. Half cup of cream, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of wheat and flour mixture, 1 tablespoon oregano, 2 tablespoons garlic. I am using olive oil and a black pepper to taste. 1 cup pasta sauce, 1 cup cheese. Sleeves up and let's start cooking. I'm using olive oil, 2 tablespoons. You can also use regular cooking oil. First of all, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic. Saute it properly with oregano. You can notice how the garlic and oregano is cooking well and releasing the flavor. Now we can start with the veggies. First onion. Let's saute for half or 1 minute. We don't want to lose the crunchiness of the vegetables, so after onion, start putting bell peppers. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. That will give the flavor. Now we add carrot and mushrooms. For this also, we don't want to lose the crunchiness. Saute this on high flame. Now I am putting salt to taste and a black pepper. Vegetables looks good. Now we can start adding green veggies to this. Zucchini, French beans and spinach all together. It looks much, but you know all these release the moisture and it will be in less quantity then. And at last, put the spring onion. Adding all green veggies, cook these all for at least 5 minutes at a medium flame. I diced all the vegetables. Have a look, the vegetables are cooked properly. Now I am turning off the flame and keeping it aside in a bowl and making preparation for white sauce. I'm going to keep this aside. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of butter. This gives a good taste. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of diced garlic. You have to make it golden brown. Now I'm adding milk. With cream. It's a heavy cream. Give it a good boil and then add wheat flour mixture. See, there is a boil. And now I am putting wheat flour mixture, and then you have to stir it continuously. It will make a thick paste. At the end, put a little bit of salt and the black pepper. You can also use white pepper because it's white sauce, but I prefer the black one because I like the taste of black pepper. See, it's done. We need this consistency. And now I'm turning off the flame. Now we are preparing the layering. Just brush the container. I'm using the square one. You can also use the oval or a circle. Just brush it properly. First layer a little bit of pasta sauce. Spread it properly. Then the white sauce. Lasagna sheet. If it's too big, then you can cut also. And now the vegetables which we made before. Give a good layer. Repeat the layer of sauces. As much as you want, you can put the sauce according to your taste. You can put as much as you like because I don't want to put a lot. The more you put, the more taste you get. And repeat the layering. This is the final layer. If you want, you can put one more layer with the lasagna sheet, but I want with the sauces, and just put cheese above. Now I am going to put this in oven at 180 degree for 20 minutes. See, this is the final dish. How it looks. Isn't it look yummy? And now I am serving with this spatula. You can just have a cut. Oh, it's cheesy. You can see beautiful layers, isn't it? I must say you should give it a try and do subscribe my channel. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notification. Thank you.